guys, I'm Tara from livingonadime.com, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook. Everybody wants to see what we buy for groceries, so I'm going to show you. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have over 1,200 recipes and tips. I use the recipes, use the food here, make the recipes out here, and that's how I'm going to spend about $300 on our groceries for our family of 6. That's only $50 a person for the whole entire month. My grocery haul that I got from Walmart today. I ordered this at 4 o'clock in the morning and I paid $200 for everything, and this will last us probably might even get us through 4 weeks, but at least 3 weeks. 3 weeks worth of groceries for $200. Then I will probably spend another $50 to $75 on meat that's on sale. I'm waiting for chicken to go on sale, and so if chicken goes on sale, I will stock up on that. And then I may need to buy a few more fruits and vegetables and milk towards the end of the month, but this will probably get us through. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so we're gonna get started here, and I will show you everything that we have. So right there is a family size packet of chicken that was $1.99. Got that. That will be at least 4 days worth of meals. Right there, can you see it goes from here all the way down there? That is 10 pounds of ground beef that today I'm going to cook up and put in small packets, and then we'll have easy tacos, that kind of thing. Eggs were not on sale, so I only got 2. That'll probably last us until they go on sale again. It's Easter in 2 weeks, so they will go on sale for Easter, and then I'll stock up again. All right, so I got broccoli here that's frozen, and over here got 6 packets of those. Got fresh broccoli for a broccoli salad, fresh snap peas, cucumbers, cuties over here, carrots here, a bag of coleslaw right there. I love the angel hair, and I thought I'm just going to treat myself. Then I have 2 things of cabbage right here. One, there's another, oh, there's the other one. 2 onions, 3 pounds of onions each, and 3 pounds of sweet potatoes, and 3 pounds of apples and bananas. Okay, that's all the fresh produce I got. Then for canned produce, we've got fruit cocktail, peaches and pears, and applesauce, which got buried back here behind the broccoli. Of course, I got paper plates for easy meals some days, and behind the paper plates is the potatoes that I bought also. Then I got 4 boxes of cereal, 3 rice checks, and 1 Cocoa Pebbles. Those were $2.30 each. I already have Frosted Flakes, so that'll get us through. Then we have 3 bags of chips for nachos and taco salads. Then I have gluten-free pasta there, and over here for pasta dinners. I got some whales for Jack's lunch. These are already the prepackaged ones, and normally I don't buy those, but they were only a penny cheaper than buying the box, so I just got those. Okay, so it got buried and you can't see, but let's see, where is it? Okay, right here is cheese crackers. I got 3 boxes of that, and right here is some milk that I got. Oops, sorry. And then, did I tell you about the cuties? I got the cuties in there. Then there's some oatmeal for no-bake fudge cookies and oatmeal for dinner. For other meat, I got the boys, we call these yellow hot dogs. Who was it? I think it was David when he was like 2. He loved his yellow hot dogs. So the breakfast sausages there, Polish sausages here, some cookies, 2 cookies, 4 things of crackers, saltines, and Ritz type, and a little bit of margarine right there. And then the ever trusty ramen noodles. My kids love the ramen noodles for easy snacks and easy lunches. Add those with an apple, a cutie, or something. Totally fine with that. So I got all this for $200, and this will get us through at least 3 weeks. At least 3 weeks. And then I have a ham that I will use. I have some turkey that I'll use. And that's about it. Then just some leftover canned goods. So all in all, it will probably cost me about $300 total for the month, including spending another 50, 60 bucks on 1 or 2 more milk. We only go through a gallon of milk a week. Yeah, even for 6 of us, because we don't drink it. We only use it for cereal. And then maybe a few apples or cuties or something like that, and bananas. And then, like I said, if I stock up. So that's how I do it, guys. It'll be about $300 for this month. Please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Please like, subscribe, and share. Visit us at livingonadime.com.